I wake up feeling low, what I eat can help me grow. Food goes in my body fast, feeds my mind, up feelings last. If I eat junk all day long, my mood feels weak, my mind feels wrong. But fruits and grains help me see clearer thoughts inside of me. What you eat talks to your brain, sends it joy or sends it pain. Choose with love, slow and true. Food decides how you feel. Eat good, feel good, don't you cry. Eat good, feel good, reach the sky. Eat good, feel good, day by day. Happy food shows the way. Eat good, feel good, heart and mind. Eat good, feel so kind. Eat good, feel good, strong and free. Good food, good mood, harmony. Sugar high then sugar low, fast my say then feelings go. Too much we can trick your brain, leaves you tired, sad again. Water helps your body think, drink it slow, take a sip. Hungry minds can get upset, that's psychology, don't forget. Food is fuel, food is care, shows your brain that you are there. Not just taste, not just fun, food and feelings work as one. Good, feel good, don't you cry. Eat good, feel good, reach the sky. Eat good, feel good, day by day. Happy food shows the way. Eat good, feel good, heart and mind. Eat good, feel so kind. Eat good, feel good, strong and free. Good food, good mood, harmony. When you're sad you wanna eat, comfort food feels warm and sweet. That's your brain saying I need care, not just snacks but love to share. Slow it down, breathe inside, choose food your side. Balance makes the feeling stay, not just gone the next day. Food helps focus, helps you learn, helps your body take its turn. Maggie's beans, a little rice, help your brain work calm and nice. No bad food, no shame, no fear, just balance making things clear. Healthy minds are gently fed, that's what psychology said. Eat good, feel good, don't you cry. Eat good, feel good, reach the sky. Eat good, feel good, day by day. Happy food shows the way. Eat good, feel good, heart and mind. Eat good, feel so kind. Eat good, feel good, strong and